Check out this cruelty-free vegan Torta Ahogada, the famous drowned sandwich. A traditional Mexican delicacy that originated in the state of Jalisco, particularly in the city of Guadalajara.
Delicious,
We found this culinary delight in Tulum, Mexico, and we're going to tell you all about it on this episode of Enjoy the Veggie. Go plant-based and discover the beauty of cruelty-free living. It's so much better for your body, better for the environment, and it allows cows, chickens, and pigs to enjoy their lives as well. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified about all our new videos. On our recent trip to Tulum, Mexico, we discovered an epic restaurant called Tapatia Vegan Tacos and their signature dish, the Torta Ahogada. Here they serve genuine Mexican food, only plant-based. They have a variety of tacos, burritos, gorditas, molletes, nachos, and quesadillas. Here they make their tortillas from scratch and use plant-based cheeses made from cashew and coconut. They also have a big variety of meat substitutes, like a seitan asada made from wheat, a spicy jackfruit birria, and a buche made from mushrooms. All these substitutes are perfectly seasoned and taste like the original, but even better. Their signature dish is the Torta Ahogada, a traditional Mexican sandwich that originated in Guadalajara. People come from all around the world to try this famous sandwich. And now it just got a plant-based makeover. The key to this sandwich is the barote bread, a special bread from Guadalajara, which has a thick, crunchy crust and a softer interior. Now you add your homemade refried beans, and then comes the carne pastor, made with seasoned wheat seitan. Now it's time to smother it with the spicy tomato sauce, and add the pickled onions.
Ay, gracias, manito. Traditional torta ahogada. Look at this. Meaning is drowned.
All these traditional dishes can easily be made plant-based and will taste just as good or better.
I'm just gonna dive in.
These things look kind of gnarly, but they are delicious.
The bread's delicious. Delicious, spicy.
It's like tomatoes.
It's like classic Mexican food, only vegan, you know?
100% original.
Wow, our vegan Torta Ahogada experience was amazing. Go plant-based and you won't regret it. It's much healthier for your body and it's better for the environment. We're here to protect the animal, not to murder and exploit them for our personal desires. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy the veggie. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and give a thumbs up. Here's some more videos about plant-based recipes and restaurants.